The story begins early in the morning, just as the first light touches the massive frozen pizza factory. Outside, delivery trucks are already waiting, and inside, the production lines are preparing to start another busy day. Bright lights fill the large facility, and the quiet silence is slowly replaced by the steady hum of machines coming to life. This is where simple ingredients are transformed into one of the world's most popular foods, pizza. But this is not the pizza made in small kitchens. This is large-scale production, where thousands of pizzas are made every hour with precision and consistency. The journey begins with the most important part of any pizza, the dough. Large sacks of flour arrive at the factory and are stored in tall silos. The flour is carefully monitored to maintain quality. Along with flour, other ingredients like water, yeast, salt, and oil are prepared for mixing. Inside massive industrial mixers, these ingredients are combined. The machines slowly turn, blending everything into a smooth dough. The mixing process is carefully controlled, ensuring the dough has the right texture and elasticity. As the dough forms, the yeast begins its work. Tiny bubbles start to develop inside, which will later give the pizza base its soft and airy texture. Once the dough is ready, it is transferred to a resting area for fermentation. Here, it is left to rise under controlled temperature and humidity. This stage is crucial because it develops flavor and improves texture. After fermentation, the dough moves to the dividing section. Machines cut the dough into equal portions, ensuring that every pizza base will be the same size and weight. Each portion is then rolled into a flat circular shape. High-speed rollers press and stretch the dough, creating perfectly round pizza bases. The thickness is carefully controlled to match the desired style, thin crust or regular. Once shaped, the dough moves to the pre-baking stage. It passes through large ovens where it is partially baked. This step helps the base hold its structure and prevents it from becoming soggy later. As the bases exit the oven, they begin to look like real pizza crusts, slightly firm and lightly golden. Next comes one of the most exciting parts of the process, the topping stage. First, a layer of tomato sauce is applied. Automated machines spread the sauce evenly across each base. The amount is carefully measured to ensure consistent flavor. After the sauce, cheese is added. Shredded cheese falls evenly over the pizza, covering the surface. The cheese is specially processed to melt perfectly during final cooking. Then come the toppings. Depending on the type of pizza, different ingredients are added. Vegetables like onions, peppers, and mushrooms are placed carefully. For meat varieties, toppings like pepperoni, chicken, or sausage are added. The topping process is both fast and precise. Machines and workers work together to ensure every pizza looks perfect. Once the toppings are added, the pizzas move forward on conveyor belts. At this stage, they look almost ready to eat, but one important step remains. The pizzas now enter the freezing tunnel. Inside this tunnel, temperatures drop extremely low. The pizzas are rapidly frozen to preserve freshness and extend shelf life. This quick freezing process locks in flavor and prevents the formation of large ice crystals. As the pizzas move slowly through the tunnel, they transform from fresh products into frozen goods ready for storage and transport. When they exit the freezing tunnel, the pizzas are completely solid. They are now ready for packaging. In the packaging section, each pizza is carefully placed into a box. The boxes are designed to protect the product and display branding information. Labels are printed with details such as ingredients, cooking instructions, and expiration dates. The packaging process is fast and efficient. Machines fold boxes, insert pizzas, and seal them in seconds. After packaging, the pizzas move through a quality control system. Cameras and sensors check each product for defects. If a pizza is missing toppings or not properly packaged, it is removed from the line. Workers also perform manual inspections to ensure quality standards are met. Once approved, the packaged pizzas are transferred to cold storage. Large freezer warehouses keep the products at extremely low temperatures. Rows of boxes are stacked neatly, ready for distribution. Outside the factory, refrigerated trucks are lined up. These trucks are designed to maintain freezing temperatures during transport. Workers load the boxes carefully, ensuring the cold chain is not broken. Soon, the pizzas will be delivered to supermarkets, stores, and restaurants. From there, they will reach homes, where people can enjoy them anytime with simple heating. Inside the factory, however, the process never stops. As one batch is completed, another begins. The production lines continue running day and night. In another section of the factory, new pizza varieties are being developed. Food experts experiment with new flavors, sauces, and toppings. They test different combinations to create exciting products. Modern pizza factories also focus on efficiency and sustainability. Efforts are made to reduce food waste and optimize energy use. Packaging materials are often designed to be recyclable. Cleanliness and hygiene are strictly maintained. Workers wear protective clothing, including gloves and hair coverings. The environment is kept clean to ensure food safety. Every machine and surface is regularly cleaned and sanitized. This ensures that the pizzas remain safe and high quality. As the day progresses, thousands of pizzas are produced. Each one follows the same careful process, ensuring consistency and taste. By evening, the factory is operating at full capacity. The sound of machines, the movement of conveyor belts, and the coordination of workers create a continuous flow. Even at night, the factory remains active. Bright lights keep the production lines running, ensuring that demand is always met. From simple ingredients like flour, sauce, and cheese to a fully prepared frozen pizza, the journey is detailed and precise. Each pizza represents a combination of technology, skill, and careful planning. It is a product that brings convenience and enjoyment to millions of people. This is the complete story of how frozen pizza is made, from raw ingredients to the ready-to-eat product in your home.